Hey guys, today I'll be doing an unboxing of the Leatherman kick. Okay, so I got this at at my local hardware store. They had a display case. I got it for $35. I don't know exactly how much they run in online and stuff, but this is what the packaging looks like. It's got 12 tools right there. This is the kick, and it's in this stupid paper, cardboard, plastic packaging, which I hate, but let's take it out. I already pre-opened it, and my dad did, but here's the tool. Inside it. I'm gonna use my trusty razor blade, because I like using razor blades. Don't have to sharpen them. When it goes dull, you just get a new blade. There's the sheath. It looks like a little, I don't know what this is. It looks like either an instruction manual or a pamphlet. Oh, it shows you all the tools. Okay, so I'll just go through the tools. Okay, so this is what it looks like. By the way, all the tools are in the inside of it. A little stiff, but you can loosen that by those. Okay, so first tool is a knife. Or a blade, whatever you want to call it. Just pretty sharp. A big flathead screwdriver. A little flathead screwdriver. And this. I have no idea what this is. That's good. The tools, when you shut them, they don't clump up. I have no idea what that is. Let's see what that is. Oh, maybe it doesn't show the tools. Oh yeah, it does. It's right here. This is... Oh, it's for a lanyard. Oh, you put that out and it's for a lanyard. That's pretty cool. Okay, on the other side, you get Phillips head screwdriver, and a can opener. So not too many tools, but enough to get the job done. Oh, and by the way, it's got a ruler, which is pretty handy. And of course your standard needle nose pliers. There's no, no play. It's not spring loaded, it's just, yeah. Like I said before, a little stiff, but there's some oil in there. Oh, and by the way, none of the tools lock. Okay, I lied, the tools do clump up. But yeah, the tools do not lock. So that's the blade. Feels pretty sharp. See if I can find a piece of paper. I can't find a piece of paper at the time. but it's pretty sharp. Not bad. But I don't think this tool needs a lock because they're pretty tight. But, you know. So this is the sheath. Looks like it only has a belt loop. Only for horizontal, not vertical. Which that's okay in my eyes. I would personally never carry a knife horizontal. I don't know, but it's I mean, it's not plastic. It's leather. It's synthetic leather. It says sheath made in Mexico. The knife, I believe, is made in America. It says intended for sale in the USA. Okay, so it says on the side here. Features needle nose pliers, regular pliers, wire cutters, hard wire cutters, 420 HC knife. I don't know about knife steel too much. I think that's pretty good though. Phillips screwdriver, large screwdriver, small screwdriver, ruler, which is 8 inches and 19 centimeters, or 19 centimeters. Bottle opener, can opener, wire stripper, lanyard ring, 100% stainless steel, closed length 4 inches, weight 5.2 ounces. I cannot see anywhere that says America. Sorry, guys. Oh, I can't find any place, but I'm pretty sure that all Leatherman products are made in America. But fits in the sheath nicely. It moves around a little bit. That's okay because it has this. It's not gonna fall out. But yeah, thanks. This was just the unboxing and sort of review. But after a week of carry, I'll do a review and like what I think about the knife or the multi-tool. But it's pretty light. But anyways, thanks for watching. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. Bye guys.